Good afternoon. Next theorem, theorem number 5. Theorem number 5, which is for any two angles, A and B, tan of A plus B, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A dot tan B. Yes, sir. Now its proof. Consider tan of A plus B equals to sin of A plus B, sin of A plus B divided by cos of A plus B. You know that tan means sin upon cos, like this. Now to use formula sin of A plus B, which is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B whole divided by cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Yes. Now required term of denominator, first term of denominator is 1. Hence divide by cos A cos B, both numerator denominator. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos A cos B, cos A cos B. To get here, sin A cos B divided by cos A cos B plus cos A dot sin B divided by cos A cos B whole divided by cos A dot cos B upon cos A dot cos B minus sin A dot sin B upon cos A cos B. Yes, hold each term. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. At numerator these are 2 terms and denominator these are 2 terms. Every terms divided by cos A cos B. To get here cos B get cancelled. Here cos A gets cancelled. Here cos A cos B get cancelled. Here is nothing. Sin upon cos, which is tan A, plus sin B upon cos B, tan B, divided by 1, here is remain 1, minus sin upon cos, tan A, dot sin upon cos, tan B, tan of A plus B, which is the formula. Yes, tan of A plus B. I hope you are understand. Now next question, theorem number 6. For theorem number 6, for any two angles A and B, tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B whole divided by 1 plus tan A dot tan B. Now its proof, tan of A minus B. Like this, tan of A minus B means sin of A minus B upon cos. Sin of A minus B upon cos of A minus B. To use formula sin of A minus B, which is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B upon to use formula cos of A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Similarly, we required first term of denominator is 1. Hence, here is deleted part. Hence, divide by dividing on numerator, dividing numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator by cos A cos. Yes. To get here, sin A dot cos B upon cos A cos B minus cos A cos sin B upon cos A cos B whole divided by cos A cos B upon cos A cos B plus sin A sin B upon cos A cos B. Similarly, here is cos B get cancelled, cos A get cancelled, second term. Now at the denominator, here cos A get cancelled, cos B get cancelled. In second term, nothing cancel, but remains sin upon cos, which is tan A minus sin upon cos, sin B upon cos B, which is tan B. Divide by 1 here plus sin upon cos tan A dot tan B, which is the formula of tan of A minus B. These are the 6 formulae. Now get. I hope you are understand. Yes. Next. Find the value of exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Find the values. Find the value of, first is sine of 15 degree. But you know that 15 degree, I don't know value of 15 degree. Hence, can be written this 15 means sine of 45 degree minus 30 degree either, or sine of 60 degree minus sine of 40. Sine of 60 minus 45, which is 15. 45 minus 30, which is 15. Take any one values, nothing. Because 45, 30, 60, these values are, we know that. To use formula sine of a minus b, sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. A means 45 degree and b means 30 degree. To get here, sine 45 degree dot cos b means 30 degree minus cos 45 degree dot sine 30. Now put the value. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 and cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 minus cos 45 1 upon root 2 and sine 30 is 1 upon. Now to get here, root 3 1 is root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 1 is 1 upon 2 root 2. Denominator is same here. To get here, root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Yes, this is the value of sine 15. Second question, now second question is here. Cos of 75 degree. 75 means, which is 45 plus 30, which is 75. Can be written this. Cos of 45 plus 30 degree, which is cos of a plus b. To use formula, cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. We get here cos of 45 plus 30 degree equals to cos 45, a means 45, b means 30, cos 30 degree minus sin 45 sin 30 degree. Now put the value. Sin for cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Minus sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. And cos sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Right? Yeah. Same value again. होता है. These are 75 and 15. These are complementary because the sum of 75 and 15 is 90 degree. Hence, these are complementary angles, which is root 3 1 is root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 is denominator is same. Hence, root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Yes, got it? Now next question, find the values of third is tan of 105 degree. Means tan of 105. 105 is, you know that? 105 means, which is 105 means 45, 60 plus 45, which is 105. Now, to use formula tan of a plus b, what is the formula? Formula tan of a plus b. If we example, we write formula, then our formulae will be learn. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A dot tan B. Yes.
Yeah.
We got tan of 60 plus 45 degree, which is tan A means tan 60 degree plus tan B means tan 45 degree upon 1 minus tan A means tan 60 degree dot tan B means tan 45 degree. Now put the value root 60 tan 60 tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 minus plus tan 45 is 1 upon 1 minus root 3 dot 1, which is root 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus root. Now here is irrational at the now multiply it. Yeah, रहने दो ऐसा ही, कोई बात नहीं. पीछे आंसर क्या दिया है देखो, यही है, ठीक है, छोड़ो. नेक्स्ट cot of 225 degree 4 cot of 225 degree. We don't know that cot of 2 cot, formula of cot, hence can be written this 1 upon tan of 225 degree, but here is 1 upon tan 225 degree means tan of 180 plus 45, 180 plus 45, because 225 change 180 plus 25 45, which is 225, means here is this formula is again tan of 180 is pi plus theta, which is pi plus theta lies in third quadrant, hence 1 upon tan pi by 4, means which is formula here tan of pi plus theta, which is tan theta, like this, pi plus theta tan theta. Yes. One minute, check it. To get tan 45, 1 upon 1 is 1. Yes. Now next question. Prove the following. Question number second. Prove the following. First is cos of pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus y minus sin of pi by 2 minus x dot sin of pi by 2 minus y equal to minus cos of x plus y. Yes. Now take LHS here. At first LHS. Cos of pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus y minus sine of pi by 2 minus x, not sine of pi by 2 minus y. We know that these are complementary angles, cos, sine. Cos of pi by 2 minus x is sine x. So here is at first formula, cos of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sine theta, and sine of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Hence, to get here, cos of pi by 2 minus x is cos x, sorry, sin x, sin x. Cos of pi by 2 minus y means sin y, minus sin of pi by 2 minus x is cos x, and sin of pi by 2 minus y is cos y. No, but here is sin x, sin y minus cos x, cos y is not a formula. To take minus sign common, which is minus in bracket cos x cos y is positive, and sin x sin y get negative. Yes, but here is negative as it is. Cos a cos b, sin s sin b means cos of a means x minus x plus y, which is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Yes. Second, how you are understand? Second, tan of pi by 4 plus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Yes. Now, at first take LHS, start solution here. LHS, which is tan of pi by 4 plus theta is equal to tan of a plus b, formula tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a dot tan b. Yes, which is the formula. So use formula this. Tan of a means pi by 4, b means theta. Tan of pi by 4 plus tan of theta b means theta upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 dot tan theta. One minute बच्चों, तो जमलिंग लग रही है, ये थोड़ा माइनस चाहिए. ही प्लस होना चाहिए और यही माइनस होना चाहिए. यस, टू गेट हियर tan pi by 4 means 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus 1 tan theta, which is 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta, which is RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. I hope you are understand. Next, third, 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x bracket square upon, sorry, bracket 1 minus tan x is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x upon tan of pi by 4 minus x. Yes. I first take LHS here. 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x brackets. Yes. To get here can be written 1 plus tan x bracket square upon 1 minus tan x bracket square. You know that the law of indices a upon b bracket to the power m is equal to a to the power m upon b to the power m, like this. Now expand this bracket. 1 minus 1 plus 2 tan x plus tan square x upon 1 minus 2 tan x plus tan square x. Yes, 1 means tan pi by 4. Yes. Now can be written this 1 means tan pi by tan 1 tan pi by 4 plus 2 tan x plus tan square x divided by tan pi by 4 minus 2 tan x plus tan square x. Yes, to get here, one minute. Take LHS, don't LHS. Take RHS at first. LHS तो छोटी है, तो इसको RHS सिंपल हो जाएगा. Take RHS at first. Tan of pi by 4 plus x upon tan of pi by 4 minus x. To use formula tan of a plus b, tan of a plus b, which is tan a pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 dot tan x, and whole divided by tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 dot tan x. So divide inversely multiply at first, but tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus 1 dot tan x divided by 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus 1 dot tan x. Now divide inversely multiply, which is 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus 1 into tan x into 1 plus the denominator upper inversely 1 into tan divided by 1 minus tan. Now both at numerator both terms are same, hence 1 plus tan x bracket square upon 1 minus tan x denominator same bracket 1 minus tan x bracket square. Hence can be written this 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x bracket square. There is a to the power m upon b to the power m is equal to a upon b bracket to the power m, which is LHS. Therefore RHS is equal to LHS. I hope you understand. बाकी देख लेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके.